If you lose your eviction case, or if you do not appear for your eviction court date, the judge will enter a judgment for possession. A judgment of possession allows a landlord to apply to the court for a warrant for removal to have you evicted. A warrant for removal allows a special civil part officer to remove you from your house or apartment. A warrant for removal cannot be issued until 3 business days after the judge enters a judgment for possession. The warrant for removal is posted on the building front door, not necessarily your actual apartment door. A lockout cannot be scheduled with a court officer until after 3 business days of when the warrant for removal was posted to your door, and the lockout date will be listed on it. Applying for more time. If you need more time to move, you can ask the court for a stay for orderly removal. The court can give you up to 7 days to move out and remove belongings. This time may be granted to you without requiring rent payment. To apply for a stay for orderly removal, you must go to the court clerk's office. Mercer and Union County residents should go to the Special Civil Part Clerk's office. Bring a copy of the warrant for removal. Tell the court clerk you want to apply to have your eviction stayed. The court clerk will have you fill out a form. On this form, you should list your reasons for needing more time to move. Court clerk locations by county. Middlesex County, 56 Patterson Street, New Brunswick, New Jersey. Mercer County, 175 South Broad Street, Trenton, New Jersey. Union County, 2 Broad Street, Elizabeth, New Jersey. Hours for all 3 offices: Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. After you apply. After you complete the papers, the court will review your form and will make a decision. Decisions can be made on the day you file the form, or you may get a return date telling you when to return to the court to appear before the judge. During the COVID-19 pandemic, a judge may hold the hearing for your request for an orderly removal through a phone call or a Zoom online video meeting. On the return date, you will give your reasons to a judge why you should be granted up to 7 days to move out of your house or apartment. The judge will notify your landlord during the hearing to see if your landlord will oppose your ask for more time. Abandoned Tenant Property Act. Be aware that if you seek a stay for orderly removal, the judge might require you to relinquish other rights. Most commonly, judges include a condition that you give up any rights under the Abandoned Tenant Property Act. This allows your landlord to dispose of your left-behind property without any notice. If you are granted any additional time to leave your apartment or house with this condition, then you must be prepared to take everything you wish with you, as the owner will not be required to keep your property for you and may dispose of anything left behind. If you agree to not pursue any further applications for post-judgment relief, this means that by accepting a stay for orderly removal, you will not ask the court for any more additional time past 7 days. If you do ask the court for more time after the order or orderly removal is granted, or try to stop the eviction through a different court process, a judge may deny your request. When your request is granted. When a court grants you an order for orderly removal, your landlord may try to reverse it, but they must give you notice. If you are still on the premises after your 7 days granted by an orderly removal, the landlord may reinstate the warrant for removal and a special civil officer will come to evict you. The order for orderly removal is the most commonly granted form of post-judgment application. If you need more time to move, consider applying for a stay for orderly removal for an additional 7 days to coordinate your move out. For more information and/or legal assistance, please contact Central Jersey Legal Services.